In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do step downs on an exercise step up. So you don't have to use an exercise step. If you don't have one, you can just use a regular step for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by putting both of my feet in contact with the step up. When I do so, I want the whole of my foot completely in the middle of the step up. So I want it in the middle in terms of lengthways and also width as well. So once I've done that, I'm now going to decide which of my feet is going to be the foot that I'm going to step off with. So you're very slowly going to bring one foot off of the step up, stabilize and come back down. And then from there you would come up, you start up at the top, very slowly weight shift to the side that is your balance leg, and then slowly come down. So we're looking to do this slowly, under control. I'm trying to keep the knee in line with my second toe and big toe. And as you're doing it, you can either decide to alternate, so you can decide to do one repetition of your right side, then your left, or do all your repetitions on one side and then the other side. If you've never done this before and you're a little bit worried about balance or the step up's a lot higher than mine, what you'll find is having something like a wall to the side of you, so I've got one here, would be really good just to get your confidence on the exercise to start off with before coming into a position where you do not need this for balance. If you do want to make it harder, we can do that two ways. The tempo in which you come down, making that slower. We can also add resistance, so weights, and also we can raise the position of this step up. So the higher the step up, the harder this exercise is going to be. That's how to do step downs on a step up, and repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.